Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to remove and replace the battery on a Mitsubishi key. This key is actually for a 2017 Mitsubishi Triton. The battery has never been changed on it, so it'll be the original battery in there. And what you will actually see down here are the tools I'm going to use. A small piece of plastic, that's actually the end of a cable tie, a very small Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver, and it'll become apparent why I need these. So the first thing you're going to do, remove any key rings you may have. Put that to the side. Then what you'll actually notice is on the opposite side to the buttons there is a small Phillips screw just down here. Undo the screw fully. And set that aside. And then on the base of the key there is a indent there, and you want to get your flathead screwdriver. Make sure it's a good fit. The better fit it is, the least likely you will be to actually damage your key. Just turn that to the side and that'll actually pop open the case, which looks just like that. Putting that down, like I say, this is the original battery. It is a Panasonic CR1620, and this is where I'm going to use my small end of a cable tie to just get into the corner there and pop out the battery. So that side's actually facing down in the key. Like I say, CR1620 battery, and that's what the key will now look like. When you get your new battery, pop it in like so. Get your top case, squeeze that together, making sure it's gone together all the way around. Get the small Phillips head screw in. Don't need to do it up too tight, but tight enough that it's not going to loosen your pocket. And then of course you get to put your finishing touches, which are your key rings. Put them back on. So there you go, that's my video on how to remove and replace the battery on a Mitsubishi key from 2017. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.